Right, so we've got our spaghetti squash out of the microwave. It's a little bit softer. Be careful when you're handling it because it is hot. Then what we'll want to do is cut this end off. Way easier to cut now. Cut the other end off. And then we're gonna slice long ways down the middle. All right, we've got the inside. Now use a spoon, scoop out all this stuff. Scoop like this for flatter. Once you've got that pretty good cleaned out, doesn't have to be perfect. Spray with a little oil. I like to use spray avocado oil for this. You will lightly salt, pepper, and then place face down on your baking sheet. Pop it in the oven on 400 for about 20 minutes or so. And when it comes out, you're gonna have spaghetti, but spaghetti squash spaghetti. We've got our spaghetti squash out. They're gonna be super hot, so I always like to use a kitchen towel. And kind of prop it up, woo, which is why I like to cut the bottoms. And then, we've got spaghetti noodles.